Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So, what's top of mind is upskilling of talent. It's going to be critical to future success in the supply chain. According to a recent statistic, 12% of the workforce is going to be retiring in the next few years. That is an enormous amount for the manufacturing sector. So we have to be thinking about how we're going to put in training, development, mentoring programs in place, apprenticeship, be looking at simplifying the process and utilizing high-skilled resources to figure out, what the design should be, and then finding ways to automate the process. For example, recently we worked with a client to take the skills from a highly skilled resource and help set up the ERP system and MRP to work effectively and take over what she was doing so that we could automate the 80/20 and then leave the exception management as the focus, which provides greater results and allows for repeatability and scalability with additional resources, and upskilled the entire team. That's the type of thing you need to be thinking about doing in your supply chains.